I'm diving into the latest trends and fluctuations of Bbai stock right now, and I'm challenging myself to predict where it's headed next. If you're an investor or just curious about the stock market, you've probably heard of Bbai stock. It's been making waves lately, and its performance could have significant implications for your portfolio. This video aims to break down what's happening with Bbai stock right now, and what it might mean for you. Bbai stock has faced some tough times recently. Market volatility has been a major challenge, with rapid fluctuations in stock prices making it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. The company itself has also been dealing with some issues, including increased competition and changes in consumer demand. These factors have all contributed to a decline in Bbai stock's value. To make matters worse, the overall economic climate has been uncertain, adding to the stock's woes. The market volatility has been intense, causing many stocks, including Bbai, to experience significant price swings. This unpredictability can be unsettling for investors, making it difficult for them to know when to buy or sell. On top of that, Bbai has been struggling to adapt to changing market conditions, which has impacted its stock performance. The company's efforts to revamp its strategy and improve its offerings have been noted, but it's a tough road ahead. Recent financial reports have shown that Bbai is working to address these challenges, but progress has been slow. Some experts believe that the company needs to make more drastic changes to stay competitive. Others argue that Bai's fundamentals are strong, and that it's just a matter of time before the stock rebounds. The mixed opinions have left investors wondering what to expect next. As the company navigates these choppy waters, its stock price is likely to remain under pressure. The current state of Bbai stock is complex, with many factors at play. While there are valid concerns about its performance, there are also reasons to be optimistic. If you're invested in Bbai stock or considering it, it's essential to stay informed and adjust your strategy accordingly. Recent news has revealed some significant developments that could impact Bbai stock's future. The company has announced a major partnership with a leading tech firm, which could help it expand its offerings and boost revenue. Additionally, Bai's leadership team has been making efforts to improve transparency and communication with investors, which could help rebuild trust. These moves have some analysts predicting a potential turnaround for the stock. However, it's crucial to note that challenges still remain, and the road to recovery won't be easy. The partnership with the tech firm is a major coup for Bbai, and could be a game-changer for the company's growth prospects. By working together, Bbai and its partner can create innovative solutions that meet the evolving needs of consumers. This development has investors excited, as it could lead to increased revenue and a brighter future for Bbai stock. Still, there are risks involved, and investors need to be cautious. As Bbai continues to navigate its challenges, there are turning points on the horizon that could significantly impact its stock price. A successful rollout of new products or services could be a major catalyst for growth, while any setbacks could lead to further declines. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions will be crucial in determining its future success. The implications of these developments are far-reaching, and investors need to stay informed to make the best decisions. In summary, Bbai stock is at a critical juncture, with both challenges and opportunities on the horizon. The company's recent struggles have been significant, but there are also reasons to be optimistic about its future. As an investor or someone interested in the stock market, it's essential to stay up to date on the latest developments and adjust your strategy accordingly. What do you think about Bbai stock's current state? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more insights and analysis on stocks in the market, be sure to check out my other videos.